Hi guys, this is Game Day in 25. This will be of the, well, it will be a unboxing of the Logitech G633s for 2019, which is this one. Yeah, so basically I got the headphones today, and this will be just an unboxing of it. I will do a sound test later in stage, but for now I'm just going to do an unboxing, and maybe the next video will be of the sound test. So this is the headphones what I got now, and thanks to John I got this headphones, as you can see, the the G633 headphones. So if you look carefully, it has RGB 7.1 surround sound gaming headset, as it's in different thing. It is for PC, console and mobile usage. So if you are using Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, you can use this headphones. This is the box. Yeah, it's sticky hands or sweaty hands. So there is some information what you can read. It comes with a headset, 3.5 analog cable and audio control, USB data cable, custom tags left and right, user document, and 2-year warranty, manufacturer guarantee, and full product support. So it does work for your Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, PS4 or Xbox. You can also use it in your PCs and into your audio jack of your PC, and you can also use it into your mobile phones. It does have 7.1 Dolby surround sound with some fancy lights. Excuse me. And yeah, so my voice is going away. Okay, so there's that. In different languages. The only thing what I don't like from this packaging is when I got it, it has this, I didn't do that, so I basically have to check if everything is in. As you can see, that one is also doing the same, flipping open, and this one looked like it just moved. That one looked like it did move or so. So besides from that, there's some more information, audio drivers. So I'm thinking that I'm probably gonna have to download the free drivers what Logitech gives you. You just have to go on their website and then you have to install it onto your laptop or your desktop. Yeah, so if you want to read that information, German people, Italian people, French, I think Mexico, France, and all the other different countries. Ooh, I don't feel out like that. So basically you guys can pause it, but the most important information what you all need to know is that you can use it on your consoles, like I say there, Xbox One, your PS4, and what did I say? Yeah, and you can use it for your mobile devices, because they're supposed to be giving you a mobile so I'm hoping that all the stuff is there. And as you can see there, 7.1. The 7.1 surround sound you will only get with the USB. It will be stereo sound when you actually use your 3.5 port. So put that there. Where's my trusty orange? Yeah, so basically I'll have to see if this all works. I will make a separate video of the sound quality of the mic, because I know you guys actually enjoy that part where I tested outside and talk to you guys. So let me just position the camera a bit down. Okay, so going with profession, so I'll put that one side. Wow, this looks really nice. Wow. As you can see, I'm there in the background. Hi. This looks really nice. I must say, there's a lot of premium to it. Before I get to the headphones, just press that one side. You are greeted with a USB and camera focus, USB and 3.5 audio cable. So just open this up and take in, this is the USB cable. It's quite long. So this is the cable. Wow, this is some really good quality. The USB port, and it's quite long, because if you look at it, you can see it is a braided cable. It doesn't have that that funky tool strap to it. Some warranty papers, yeah, safety papers and so on. I'll put that back in there because I'm not going to need that. And this seems to be braided 3.5 cable. So if you look at that, this is very plasticky. So if you take a look at that, I wondered does this thing have RGB, but it looked like you can mute the mic. It's very shaky. That one is just the earphones. Okay, so this one is for muting the mic. And you got like some rocker to volume up, and you got some pin thing, so you can put it on the side of you, or you can put it on your sweater or shirt, or clip it to your mouse pad. So you can just clip it there and then you can control the sound. So this cable is not that long. They just bundled in this bubble wrap. So that is that. See anything else? Okay, and then Logitech also give you some information, and I guess that's about it. So let me just place that there, that there, and then wow, there's some heft to it. It's kind of a little bit heavy, but it's not uncomfortable heavy. Like, okay, so you do get like fingerprints on it, and apparently this lights up when you use it. So there's different colors, and this side lights up also. Okay, there we go. So you can see there's PC and 3.5. So the 3.5 is probably for this cable. So when you plug it into your mobile phone and so on, then you can use it. And this is buttons, G buttons, like most people say, G buttons, and your mute mic button, this. Okay, and swivel. Okay, so that's that side. Is there anything else on there? It shows you the G633s, and there's such a matte finish. That can be annoying. Remove cover. So the RGB lighting. Oh, nice. So I have no idea where do you get this covers, but I think Logitech will soon supply covers for people. There's nothing on that side, but on the, how do I see which is left and which is right? Inside, yeah. So basically, on that point they will show L, and I'm assuming that side is the R. Yeah, I'm basically pointing somewhere there is the R. So there's the 3.5 jack, and there's that other looking cable. It look like the BlackBerry kind of cable, which is this one. So a lot of people said good reviews about it. My thing is, okay, that can be annoying, but that's maybe just me, or it's just this set. So this does fold that way, so it does do the full 180, or not 180, it does do the fold, it does do that. It does have a mic. It's a little bit bendy, and when you do fold it away, it does mute the mic, so I don't know why they placed that there on that cable. And this is like a cloth kind of feel to it. Oh, that sound is just annoying. They do say this is washable, but I don't know. So I will show you guys how it looks on my head. So it is a I don't know if it's metal. It looks like it is. I think it is metal. So if you want to see how wide it goes, that is how wide it goes. But my head is not that big and I don't have that much hair, so I'll just leave it on the stock settings and I will adjust it. This does have that kind of memory kind of foam to it. It does have a G on the top, and as you can see, the cushioning is quite deep, so when it is like by your ears, it's not gonna feel weird. So oh, that sound it's gonna be a very annoying, but let me put it on and then I'll show you guys how it looks. And this is not the wireless one, because you do get the wireless one which like this, and you can plug that into your laptop wherever you want to plug it in, and you get this 2-port, so you can plug it in 3 devices, and this one you can plug into 2 devices. So this one you can use maybe for your phone, and the other one you can use for the laptop or so, and then you just switch between the two. Okay, so I'm going to try it on. Left is right, right is left. Ooh, sound pretty snuggy. Okay, so right now I have it on. It does have a little bit of a tight feel to it, but I think it's because it's new and it must still work in. So basically it looks like this. So for someone who don't have much hair, so does it fall off? It doesn't fall off that easy. So if you're not wearing it like if you're a DJ, off. But yeah,